And they basically told me that I wouldn't become a partner because I chose to be a mother. So I decided to go and start my own practice. The clients that I worked with at the firm basically came with me. The firm tried to sue me, but guess what? I was a woman. Women weren't in accounting then. They never asked me to sign any type of covenant not to compete, so I walked away with the practice. Well, the marital dissolution matters really started with my background at the IRS. And so I learned a little bit about finding hidden assets, hidden income, hidden liabilities, hidden mistresses, hidden property. And when I was in my own practice, there was an attorney that was next to me that was a friend of mine and knew about my IRS background. And so she asked me if I would actually go and talk to this client about her husband and getting involved with this case. My initial reaction was no, I don't want to do that. But after we had a very successful time in court, my reputation started to get very strong in finding hidden assets and hidden income. She finds where the financial bodies are buried. I was often referred to as the gold digger, the gumshoe accountant, which is not very flattering, but I thought it was kind of fun. The gold diggers. When your estranged husband plays Houdini with community property, don't get mad. Get a gumshoe accountant. That was me. If you are in a marriage or you have a partner and they're taking care of the finances and you're taking care of the house or the children, first of all, they need to do some of the house and some of the children, but it's your responsibility to know what's going on. You should never get to a divorce, a death, a disability, and say, I never knew we had no money because I always got what I want. You have a responsibility as a woman. You have to know what's going on. You have to be involved with what you're saving. You have to be involved with if you're incurring a debt or going into a business, what that entails, what the jeopardy is, or do you have to go back to work? Doing divorce work, I'm currently now a family law mediator. I cannot tell you how many people don't know what their financial worth is, and it is part of your responsibility. My net worthwhile is how do I spend my money, okay? And when I say spend my money, part of that is giving money away. Whether that is to family that's in need, to a neighbor that is in need, to a community project, or to a charity. Because I do think that you have to look at where your passions are. And then wherever your passion is where your proportionate amount of time should be. It's where the proportionate amount of your spending should be. A life lesson, I think, is that savings and living below your means is important no matter how little you make. So if you save and you give, I think your life will be remarkable.